Friends, welcome to Rapid General Awareness. Today we are going to see the current affairs for 2nd of June. So let's begin the first question. What is the name of video blogging contest on yoga launched by Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi? So it is My Life, My Yoga. Okay, and it is a joint effort of Ministry of Ayush and Indian Council of Cultural Relations. As per Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, foreign direct investment has been increased by what percent for the financial year 2019-20? So, it has been increased by 18% and it has been increased to $73.46 billion. Who has been appointed as the Deputy Managing Director of Small Industrial Development Bank of India? So, he is Vasantarao Satya Venkata. Okay, and SIDBI is headquartered in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the Deputy Managing Director of Exim Bank? Okay, so she is Harsha Bangari. Okay, and Export Import Bank is headquartered in Mumbai. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of FSSAI, that is Food Safety and Standards Authority of India? So, he is Arun Singhal. Okay, and FSSAI is headquartered in New Delhi. Who has been appointed as an independent director of airline company Indigo? So, he is Venkatramani Sumantran. Okay, friends, we have seen that recently there are many appointments, so please keep revising as it may confuse you. Okay, so let's revise. Deputy Managing Director of SIDBI, his Vasantrao Satya Venkata. Deputy Managing Director of Exim Bank, she is Harsha Bangari. CEO of FSSAI is Arun Singhal, and Independent Director of Indigo is Venkatramani Sumantran. Okay. Which initiative has been launched by Ministry of New and Renewable Energy to provide solar power to West African and Southeast Asia? So, the name of the initiative is One Sun, One World, One Grid. Okay, and this basically aims to provide solar power to the nations who are not getting sufficient sunlight. Okay. Which country has become the largest equity foreign direct investment source of India? So, it is Singapore. Okay, and Singapore alone has contributed $14.67 billion. Okay. Which company was launched by Sports Authority of India for online coaching and education program? So, it is Khelo India E-Pathshala. Okay, the name of the program is Khelo India E-Pathshala, and total 21 games are added in this. Okay, and in this program, veteran players will talk to young players and show their technical skills. What is the theme of World Milk Day? So the theme was 20th anniversary of World Milk Day, and the World Milk Day was observed on 1st of June. Which state government has given status of second language to Sanskrit recently? So it has been given by Himachal Pradesh, and first language of Himachal Pradesh is Hindi, and Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh is Jairam Thakur. Which world organization has launched an international project named COVID-19 Technology Access Pool, that is CTAP? So it has been launched by World Trade Organization, and it is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Which Indian cricketer has been nominated by BCCI for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? So Rohit Sharma has been nominated. Which organization has offered financial support of $732 million to Bangladesh to combat COVID-19 pandemic? So it has been offered by International Monetary Fund. Okay, and it is headquartered in Washington, DC. Okay, that's it for today. Friends, if you like the video, please press the like button, share our video with friends, and subscribe our channel to get regular notifications. Thank you. Have a nice day.